which he knows, with a hop and a jump, and off it goes. R is for rainbow, lovely and bright, a colorful sign. 7 colors all in a row. In the sun they really glow. R is for rocket, going up so high, straight up in the sky, going super fast, lifting off with such a loud blast. R is for rooster, a male bird. In the morning it is heard, cock-a-doodle-doo, to welcome the day that is new.
R